Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to unbox my July Petit Vour box. But before I do that, I want to show you what I got in my June box and tell you what I thought of those products. Let's get started. This is my June Petit Vour box. Here's the card with the description of everything that I got. The first thing in here is the Lauren B Nail Growth Serum. This is a sheer blend of amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins E and C, peptides, and vegan biotin. It's salvation for your nails. Whether fragile, brittle, or already healthy, your nails will grow stronger and glossier than ever. I have some mixed feelings about this product. It does have beautiful ingredients. I looked up the brand. It's a wonderful brand. But for one thing, it was really confusing how to use the product. It doesn't really have any instructions on the box that came with it. It just says paint it on. So I polished it on and it doesn't dry down. It doesn't sink in. It just stays kind of sticky and wet. And so I got online and looked further, and about halfway down the how to use paragraph, it said, leave it on for about 5 minutes and then wipe it in. And it said, only paint it on the section of your nail where the nail meets the cuticle, that half moon section. Doesn't say that anywhere else except for that one little section that I ran across. I was reading reviews about this and everyone was saying, it says you can apply your nail polish over top of it. You can't, it doesn't last. Whereas when I read further on it, the description says, leave it on for 5 minutes, wipe it off, then apply your nail polish, but it doesn't say that everywhere. So it's very confusing on how to use this product. My other issue with this product is this little tiny tube is valued at $75. And I kind of think that is crazy. I can't imagine anyone buying this teeny tiny 0.08 ounce tube of product for $75. I've been using it. It does seem like a nice formula, but it's not a miracle nail growth formula. For $75, it should really be doing something for a tube this size. I wouldn't pay that for it, but I'm going to use it. I got it in my Petit Vour box. I got it as part of my $18 box. So I'm very happy to have it. My nails are pretty hard right now from the supplements I take, and they grow pretty quickly. I actually clip them because in my job, long nails do not work. I move around equipment in the operating room all day long. Long nails are a disaster waiting to happen. So I clip my nails, but I do like them to be really strong and hard, and they already are. So this will help, I'm sure, help them grow out and stay strong and healthy, but I would never, ever purchase this. The next product in this box, this is a whole different story. This one I love. It seems like in every single box, there is a standout product for me personally, a product that I fall in love with, and that's the one in this box. This is the Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm. This quenches your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon scented, and protected with reef safe broad spectrum SPF 15. I have been using this pretty much every single day since I got this box at the end of June. I love this. It does have sunscreen, which I love. It feels good on your lips. It has just the teeny tiniest bit of an oil feel to it. Not enough to make your lips feel oily, but enough to make it glide across much more smoothly than most lip balms. It smells amazing. It has that lemony scent, and that slightly lingers just enough to be refreshing, not enough to be irritating. I said when I got this and first tried it that I didn't think that little bit of pink was going to show up on my lips. It barely shows up on my hand at all, but it does. It does give just a very slight bit of pink tint to your lips, which is perfect, I think, for a summer day with no makeup or very little makeup. I just love this, love this, love this. I've been wanting to try something from Jane Iredale for a long time now, and I'm off to a great start with this one. The next product in my June box was this. This is the Be Kind Nourishing Hand Balm. This one says it's made from a mix of deeply nourishing ingredients. This hand balm moisturizes, soothes, repairs, and promotes tissue healing and leaves a soft floral scent. This does smell really nice. And I said when I unboxed my June box, I wasn't sure how I was going to use this because I could tell it was very nourishing, but it's too thick to use as a daily hand cream. I have found a way to use it and I love it. When you rub it in, it becomes a little bit thinner and sinks in better than I thought it was going to at first. It almost feels like Vaseline coming out of the tube, but it does sink in really nicely. It's still too heavy to wear during the day for me, but what I've loved is using this every night for my hands and my feet, and it's fantastic for that. This is a beautiful product. I'm very, very happy that I got this in my box. And then the last thing in that June box is this. This is the Kai Naturals Takasumi Detox Deodorant. This is a natural bamboo charcoal deodorant stick. It's activated charcoal and natural fermentation technology fight odor causing bacteria, keeping you fresh all day. I have enjoyed this. I've used this several times just to test it out, and it is a good deodorant. It doesn't last on me as long as my Kapari deodorant does. That one's still my holy grail favorite, but I'm happy to have this one. I do like it. I'm going to probably take this one to work and put this in my work bag. It will definitely be used that way. I have some days at work that are pretty tough and I have to freshen up during the day, so this will be very nice to have for that. It does smell wonderful. It has beautiful ingredients and I'm very happy to have it. As far as the value on that June box, I definitely think that this Jane Iredale lip balm is worth the $17. It's beautiful ingredients, it's SPF, and I just love it. I also think that the Be Kind hand balm is worth the $16. And this little Takasumi deodorant, clean deodorants can be kind of expensive. This is $10. I think that's fair. I do not think this is worth $75. I think this is worth maybe half that. Petit Vour gave a value on this box of $118, and that's including $75 for this. I would knock off at least $40. I wouldn't pay $35 for this, but I could see someone else paying $35 for this. I have for comparison, my Dime Beauty Lash Serum, which is 0.17 ounces. It's a lot more product than this one, and it also has beautiful ingredients, and it's for my lashes and not my nails, but still it's the most comparable thing I have. And this is $38. So I could see paying maybe $35 for this if I really wanted to try a nail growth serum, but no more than that. So even if I knock off the price of this for what I think is more reasonable, that's still a $78 box for my value. And I think that's amazing for $18. I'm thrilled every month. I don't know how Petit Vour does it, but I'm so happy with everything they send. Even the products that I'm not really sure about, I only have maybe one or two things that I couldn't use, and I've found so many things that I love. Now let's see what's in my July box. I cut away the tape on this like I always do, but I haven't opened the box yet. I did see Naturally Beautiful Cat unbox her Petit Vour box. I subscribed in December, and in December I got the same things that she did, but every month since then, all of 2020, I've gotten slightly different things than she has. I've gotten maybe one or two things the same as her, and then a couple things different from hers. So we'll see if that's still true for this month. This is the card for the month. Very nice for a July box. Love palm trees. First product in here is from Anonym Cosmetics. This is the Natural Waterproof Eyeliner. This retails for $19. It says, looking for a clean kohl pencil dupe? This is it. Smudge proof and hyperpigmented, this certified natural eye pencil is long wearing and comes with a detachable sharpener. Sounds nice. Let's see, what color is this? Well, the name is Brown by Anonym, so I'm guessing it's brown. We'll see. Here's the sharpener, the built-in sharpener. And here's the pencil. Oh, that's nice. I have another brown pencil that I got in a different Petit Vour box, but it's more of a golden warm brown. This one is more almost of a brown black, which I like because I don't wear black eyeliner very often. It's too harsh on me, but I can definitely use this color with a lot of different looks. It almost has a slightly greenish, blackish brown tint, which I really like. I think it'll go with a lot of eye looks. Kat did not get this. She got a single shadow, which I'm guessing I got this instead of the single shadow, which makes me really happy because for one thing, I hardly ever reach for single shadows, and I've got eyeshadow overload. Actually, I've got so many palettes that I love, but I feel like I'm not getting enough use out of them. So I'm kind of on a palette slash eyeshadow no buy, so I'm glad I didn't get another single shadow. I'm glad I got this pencil instead. I will definitely use this. I wear eye pencils every single day. Let's see what's next. La Femme Body Oil by Kindred Beauty. Let's see if I can find that one in here. Here it is. Oh, I remember this. Kat did get this one. It has kind of this iridescent purpley pink color. Maybe it needs to be shook up. Let's see. No, it doesn't. Doesn't really land. Let me read about it. A nourishing and quick absorbing body oil with mineral powder that moisturizes, soothes, and gives skin a subtle shimmer. I thought this sounded really nice when Kat opened it. Obviously, I wouldn't use this as an all-over body oil, but I thought it would be nice for summer, maybe on the shoulders or the collarbone, just for a little something with some shimmer. Let's see if I can tell anything on the back of my hand about it. It feels very nourishing and very nice on the skin, very silky soft. I don't know, I'll have to play with it some. I can't really tell what it's doing, but it does look like there's a little bit of shimmer there. I may be able to find a way to use this to show off some skin this summer. Even if I don't, I'm going to enjoy using it because I love body oils. So even if I just end up mixing this in with my lotions, I'll still be very happy to have it. The value on this is $20. The next product in my July box is this one. This is another one that Kat got also. This is the Blasoma Photonic Facial Sunscreen and Moisturizer. This retails for $17.50. Says this clean moisturizer spreads on like a dream and leaves a flawless finish on skin while providing SPF 25 broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. Let's see if I can find the ingredients on here. I don't see the ingredients, but it sounds like this is not a mineral sunscreen. I only use mineral sunscreens on my face. I only use mineral sunscreens, period. But if I do find out that this is not a mineral sunscreen, if it has chemical sunscreens in it, I'll probably pass this on to a friend because Blasoma is a beautiful product and I'm definitely not going to let this go to waste. I may try it just to see what it's like so I can review it when I receive my next box. But if it's not a mineral sunscreen, I won't be using it up. I'll let you know. And then there's one more thing in this box. Let's see what this is. This is the URSA Major Bright and Easy 3-Minute Flash Mask. And this retails for $12. It says a powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, this flash mask restores luminosity and firmness. Well, that sounds good. 3-minute flash mask sounds like my speed. I like that. It's kind of a herbally green looking and it smells very herbally, so I'm excited to give it a try. I rarely use masks. I know that Kat got a sheet mask in her box and I'm glad I didn't get that. I'm glad I got this instead because a 3-minute mask I can do. I usually just use my skincare, my daily skincare. I have a great skincare regimen that I'm very happy with, so I don't really feel the need to mask, but this little 3-minute flash mask, I think I could pull this one off. No problem. Oh, wait. I've got 2 of these. Wow. Were there supposed to be 2? I don't think so. I think I just got an extra one in my box. Let's see, they're the exact same thing. Well, that was nice. That's a nice little bonus. So I've got 2 flash masks. I hope I do enjoy them. Or I may share one with my husband if I don't like it. But I think I'm going to like a 3-minute mask. Okay, that's it. This box is another one that I'm excited to try all the products. I am a little concerned about the sunscreen, but I'll report back on that one when I get my August box. And it looks like another great value for an $18 box. I've been so happy with this box every month, and I'm so glad I subscribed. It's a cruelty-free, clean, vegan box. I don't have to worry about any of the products in it not being cruelty-free, not having clean ingredients. I highly recommend it if those things are as important to you as they are to me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.